Hey, what's up, travelers? So I am sitting here at the burger factory in Cairo, Egypt. We're going to check it out and see how Egypt does this. It's right next door to Nillan's, which is the best place to get Egyptian cotton sheets. And when you're in Egypt, it's like you don't want to go anywhere else. I was pretty hungry and tired of Egyptian food, so I just went ahead and said, well, hey, there's this burger place right here. I'll go check it out. And then I walked in this place, and the artwork on the wall is absolutely awesome. It's really, really unique and cool artwork. I just ordered a Burger Factory burger and a cherry Coke. We're gonna check it out and see how Egypt does this. All right, well, this burger looks absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and try the sauce real quick. It's got a good tang to it. Kind of, I'm not really sure what they're doing there, but we're gonna add some ketchup and some mustard to it, because that's how I love my burgers. The music started, so hopefully it doesn't get us demonetized, but we're gonna do this pretty quick because of the music. But let's go ahead and jump into this burger here. Oh man, this burger is awesome. It definitely rates right up there with some of the best I've had in the States for sure. Heck yeah. Let's try one of these fries here. Pretty decent fry. Maybe could have had about 30 more seconds in the fryer, but can't complain. It's cherry Coke. They put some cherry flavoring in the Coke. Definitely better than what you get out of the can, that's for sure. I gotta say, if you're in Cairo or you're itching for a burger, come to the Burger Factory because they know what they're doing. Oh yeah. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Subscribe if you like travel food content and also travel destinations and history. And then after that, hit that notification bell so YouTube lets you know whenever I upload a new video. And as always, eat great food.